Ever wondered why you don't make money on Forex? Well, it's a tough world out there. And little people make money on Forex and a lot of them lose money. But stay tuned on this video so I can show you the one way the little people actually make money on Forex. In my past, people have told me, David, buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum, buy Ripple, and it's a long-term investment. So I actually did. I still have my account. I'm making money, but it's the long term. I didn't want to wait the long term. Things has went from good to bad in my life, and now it's back to good. But I started downloading this trading apps that you see on Facebook and Twitter, Instagram, all over, even on YouTube. So I started downloading IQ Option, Olymp Trade, and you know the apps. Okay, so I downloaded one specific app, and I will show it later in the video. And I played around on a demo account, and I schemed, okay, maybe I can make money, yeah? Okay, I did some research, and I lost money. Until one day, I actually slept and thought about something, and I tried it with actual credit, actual money, and it worked so good and so successful that it has a 0% risk. Olymp Trade is the app that I downloaded and that I actually make my money on. The thing about this app is it doesn't restrict you with time, it doesn't restrict you with knowledge. Some apps, they give you 15 seconds and you have to work in just specific 15 seconds, or hourly based or half an hour based. Olymp Trade has from 1 minute to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. There's a big range of time you can use. And not only that, it gives you a good educational video system. They actually do teach you how candlesticks work, how the lines work, how the purple, turquoise or whatever, all of that lines, how they actually work if you can read candlesticks. But I don't have to teach you how to use candlesticks because we won't use candlesticks. This is as easy as up, down, up, down. That's the sequence. Up, down is your sequence that you're going to use. If you start up, the next one will be down. If you did down, the next one will be up. You have to follow that sequence, up, down, up, down. Then, this is where the tricky part comes in. Every time you go up with $1, you always start with $1. Okay, so you start $1 up. If you lose that $1, you have to bet down. Doesn't matter what the candlesticks say. Don't listen to the candlesticks. Up $1, if you lose, you bet down $3. For the simple reason, it's double up, so 1 plus 1 gives you 2, plus 1. Just because you don't make 100% profit for each win, you actually make maximum 80%. If you have a pro account like me, you make 92, 95 at the most. So there's still a 5% of your $1 that you're going to lose. So that's why I add the extra $1, is to cover up that 5% that I'm actually losing. And so I make more profit on my money that I just lost. So it's up $1, I lost. It's down $3, I lost. It's up $7, I win. So now I win that $1, the $3 that I lost, I win it back with the $7. Do your maths, you will see.
Like a Hellcat.